All right, so here's the attacks. I've got them all set up so they should be really easy to work with. As soon as you set them active, they'll play once, and then you can turn them off again. So it should work really well. So for the low attack, let's do fire first. Low attack for fire, we've got it here, which is a simple fire. But then when you move it around, it creates a neat little trail thing. And so it's really easy to, you can just attach this object simply to your whatever's moving in your game already, and it'll just move like that. It'll just follow it, and then it just fades out over time. Then you just turn it back off when the attack's done. It should be really simple to implement. And then we've got our mid attack. That's fireball. I don't know why it's way up there. But basically what happens is the circles go off when it first gets shot, right? The big circle. Obviously I can't time it exactly right, but you get the idea. There's a little shockwave thing that happens and then a couple of little ones that go after it. Also, it should be really easy to implement. Just simply turn it on and then turn it off when it hits something. And then the high attack, we got a different kind of fireball that has another launching kind of thing, and then it hits whatever. So then you can easily just launch it off of that and then hit whatever you're hitting. So that's for the high one. And then if you want an impact effect, some sort of like explosion, we've got this one. It's really quick and easy, so it doesn't get in the way at all, but might give a little extra pizzazz to it. Should be easy to change if you don't like how this one looks. This one's a little funky, I guess. All right, so then the ice attacks, we'll start with the low one again. We've got this kind of thing going, and then you can drag it just like the other fire one, and it'll just kind of produce it. I don't know how fast it's going to go. See, we can mess with the settings, but I think it looks pretty cool. I just simply use the toon shader that's built into Unity, and it's just a low ice attack that just the same way as the other one. You can just, they get bigger and smaller, so if you just turn it off or stop emitting, then it'll work. It should work really well. If you want to really set up the timing for it, then that could be a pain, but I think just turning them on and off will work really nicely, especially if you just have it go off the edge of the screen. Then you don't have to worry about it just like disappearing weirdly. All right, the middle attack is something like this. Oh, I need to fix this a little bit so you can work with it a little easier, but pretty much this is the middle attack. And it just shoots. Woohoo! With cool snowflakes. And then the high attack is a little ice spike ball thingy that something like that. It should work really well. And then the impact, it's the same impact, just a different color. So it's a little blue one instead of red. Yeah, so it should work really well. And all of these are scalable and rotatable. All right, so like for instance, I'll show this one. If you rotate it, it'll rotate the angle of the spike's direction, which works just fine. That's what we need. That's what you need. And then it's perfectly scalable, so you can make it really big too if your game happens to be in a different scale. And everything should still work exactly the same. We can even make it really huge just to show you that it really does work. And if some of them don't scale perfectly, sometimes it takes a full cycle of particles to go through before it'll kick in. But also I might have made a mistake. I'm pretty sure I checked them all though, so they all should work as you want. It should be really easy to just stick them into your game. Yeah, so there you go.